Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Stack Overflow for Teams data exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. To initiate a data export from Stack Overflow for Teams, log into your Stack Overflow for Teams account. Once logged in, navigate to the team for which you want to export data. Click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the page to access the team settings. From the settings menu, select the option labeled Data Export. You will find an overview of the data export process. Read through the information provided to ensure you understand the types of data available for export. When you are ready, look for the button that says Request Data Export. Click on this button to start the export request process. Stack Overflow may ask you to confirm your request via a pop-up dialog. Confirm the request to proceed with generating your data export. After your request is submitted, be patient as it may take some time to process. You will receive an email notification once your data export is ready. This email will contain a link to download your exported data files. Follow the link provided in the email to access your files. Once you have the export files, save them in a secure location. If you need assistance during the process, check the Stack Overflow Help Center for additional guidance. Take time to review the exported data to ensure it meets your needs. That concludes the step-by-step process for withdrawing data exports from Stack Overflow for Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.